Ano to, swordfish?
Sungay siya.
Ang ganda ng mga picture, ay video dito, Gian. Kala mo nasa dagat ka talaga.
Ano?
Bakit? Inaano ngayon? Hello? Nakikita mo ba ako? Hello? 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 Los Atlantis. Walang laki.
Yan. Yan, ganyan ka lang. Lapit ka sa salamin.
Laki.
Ang dami natin ito pa rin.
Kailangan kita yung mukha mo. Ganyan, ganyan. Lapit ka pa dito.
Ito yung...
Ganito.
Yan.
Wala naman isda.
Ito. Ha? Ang ganda. Umiikot-ikot sila, oh.
Ito. Lapit ka
Laki
pa
naman
dito.
nito.
Yan.
Napapunta na sila dito at tayo ng isda.
Yan.
Ayan na.
Ayan na. Ano yun? Giant Trevally. Mamsa, talakitok.
Ayan, talakito.
Ano siya, maximum length niya?
60 kilograms.
1.7 meters. Tinapa, hindi na ganyan ng tinapa.
Tuyo pa?
Hindi.
Rabbit
fish.
Ano tawag dyan?
Rabbit fish.
Nakita ko.
Gusto mong ipaksiw?
Ipapaksiw kita. Parang double ano no? Tingnan mo, double oh.
Yung may pagkakana, nakakadilaw.
Dory, parang 3 minutes lang.
Yan ang alaki.
Ayun. Parang kumain siya. Saan? Sino kumain? Kasi ayun, nung dumaan siya nagganon.
Tim,
Alam niyo yung sa mga Little Mermaid, yung kasama ng witch? Ayan yun eh.
So, yung mga kontrabida.
Ako ba po kasama?
Hello, Lex! Hindi ko nakita.
Wala eh.
Kumakain ba siya? Kumakain.
Iba yun. Iba yun. May bangus. Ay ano. Hasa-hasa.
Napatay ka pa.
Common inhabitants of open woodlands and forests along the east coast of Australia.
Ay, sa harap.
They're very loud birds.
Ay, sa harap.
Focus and sound.
Doon sa may parang mga green.
Nuts, fruits, and story and papaya.
Doon tayo sa green doon.
Now guys, you think that
Bilisan mo, Gia.
if it's yes, say, you can do it, Dazzle.
You can do it, guys.
No, that's how hard you can do it. Now, for next feature, birds are just like any married couple, monogamous, meaning they will be partners for life. Pretty romantic, right? But as any couple will attest in a relationship, there will always be battles. Meet Sassy and Rocky are a beautiful pair of green knuckle, and today they will battle it out to see who's the best in a basketball game. But before we start this battle, I'll be dividing you into two groups. All the girls will cheer for Sassy. Come on, girls, at here say, Sassy! Sassy! And all the boys will cheer for Rocky. Come on, at here say, Rocky! Rocky! Alright, birds ready, players ready, set, go! Here's Rocco's first ball, followed only by Sassy. Another ball from Rocky. Let's see who's gonna win this game. And Rocky wins! Trainer Regine, what can you say about that? You guys lose this time.
Hold it. We want another race.
Oh, she wants another race. Trainer John?
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to lose again?
Well, this time I guarantee you that Sassy will win.
So, what race do you have in mind?
I want a ring race.
And what is a ring race?
The first bird who can drop 3 rings into the bowl, the fastest the winner, and that is a ring race.
Birds can do that. But before we call our mathematics, and possibly eat Sibuya. Let's go home.
Ayun sa taas. Ayun sa taas.
Ay, ayun. Come here. Come here.
Ay.
Ayan na siya. Laba yun, no?
And meet our Brahminikai. Here comes Shadow. Brahminikai is scientifically known as Haliaster Aedus. One of our Brahminikai reports is species super supreme.
Ayaw niya.
These birds can be found in India, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Pakistan, along China, including the Philippines. They're locally known as Lali or Banok in Visayas region. Everyone, meet our amazing chickens. Wow, look at that. And as you can see, we have our homing pigeons. Homing pigeons is an innate homing ability, meaning they will generally return to its nest and mate. How about Bosphoraptors are chickens and our homing pigeons? Here in Manila Ocean Park, we believe there is hope. We only not try to take care of our friends in the sea, but also for those who are in landed areas as well. Now guys, who knows the 3 R's? It's reduce, reuse, and recycle. So once again, here's the numbers to show us the proper waste disposal. Let's go guys.
Paakyat sila ng paakyat.
See, if our lovebirds can do it, so can we. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope you all enjoy the show. Are the birds spectacular? Well, in our own way, no matter how small the effort, let's take action in saving them from exploitation.
Now let's continue. So guys, do you have any idea why they are called pink or feather-footed marine mammals? Any idea? Do they have feathers? Well, let's ask them. Hey buddies, do you have feathers?
Wala.
No, it's actually because of their broad
Ang cute.
with their shape and the bird's wing. Zeros. The third pinnipeds may also be translated as swift-footed since their flippers do use about like wings. In fact, they appear to climb underwater as they swim from place to place. Right, buddies? And you know, they often mistaken like a seal because they look very much alike. But some differences between a seal and the sea lions is the fact that they have bigger, broad flippers. And they also turn their back flippers, something seals cannot do. As a result, they can walk right while on land. And that's our final demonstration. How about a round of applause for Sea Lion friends?
Ma'am, patabi na lang po, pa-claim po.
Okay.
Ma'am, yung mga gamit ko po, baba na.
Ay. Oh. Lex.
Number 2. Pinalipad ko. Pwede na mag-vlog race yun. Ilan po kayo, ma'am? Pwede ba 5? Mag-vlog race ako yung dalawa. Smile. Yeah. Camera, smile. Another one. One more. Okay. Girl.
Good job.
Aman, pin mo po si
Hello
Steph.
muna. Hello. 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 Hello.
Almost kanina si Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello. Hey. Cutie. Dito sa gilid?
Dito po tayo, ma'am.
Ah, sige, ikaw na. Ikaw na.
Wait lang, sir.
Huwag niyong hawakan daw.
Touch po tayo, sir.
Wow!
Touch only, ah. Ma'am, touch po tayo, ma'am.
Ay, talaga?
Lahat pala tayo. So, touch only lang. Okay,
Camera, smile. Alright.
Right eyes po tayo, sir. Kay Trainer Johnny.
Ma'am, paikling na lang po. Ganun po. Malamig kaya dyan?
Dapat lang naman lamig. Meron, no? May aircon sila.
Kala ko totoo siya. Totoo ba? Totoo sila. Totoo sila. Yung iba kasi parang statue. Hello. Hi. Para ka nagpapakitang gilas, ha? Si Ana. Hello.
Ang tawag sa kanya?
Alagay?
Ayan, nakalagay. Ay, oo nga, humihina siya. Pero naka-steady lang siya. Gusto ko, ganyan gusto ko ma-achieve. Naka-steady lang.
pupunta doon dahil ipis.
Ano, gumalaw. Convention.
Balik dyan.
Bili kita niyan.
Gusto ko yan.
Tapos,
Tutu. Din.
Albino, Burmese python.
Hello.
Tapos pa-exit na tayo dito.
Okay, tingnan mo. Iniisip mo ba kung paano ka lumabas? Tapos na.
Natapos na.
Yes. Yay.
Uwi na.
Yes.
Bye
Hi
ka.
guys. Thank you for watching.
Bye-bye.
Subscribe to Lex and Josh.